For each of the funds you're looking at, we also show you their similar funds. How we define similar funds? These are the funds that invest in the same geographic focus as well as in the same asset type as the fund you're analyzing. For example, if we're looking at a fund that invests in the US as their main geographic focus and equities as their main asset type, we look at our database and find all the funds that match to these attributes, and we display these funds by the best average of their return, stability, and fees rank, and we show you the top results here. In this example, since we're looking at this S&P 500 ETF by Vanguard, we show you all the funds that also invest in the US as well as equities. You can tap into each one of them and see their details. Scroll from left to right and you'll see a lot of these similar funds are also household names, such as by BlackRock, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Another way to compare funds with the similar ones is by our compare function. Simply tap into this compare icon and you have the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF pre-populated already, and you can choose any funds from the universe to compare with this Vanguard ETF. And in this case, I chose the Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust and compare side by side. And here on the left you have the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and on the right you have the Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust, and you can see which one is winning on which metric, all the way from returns to stability to fees or to dividend yield in the end. And what is the best way to use this compare feature? It all coming back to what you care about. For example, if you personally care a lot about the fees you're paying, then the Vanguard ETF is a clear winner. However, if you pay a lot of attention to the historical performance numbers, the investment trust is winning by a wide margin. So there is really no single rule of how you want to use the compare function. But on a blended basis, through the comparison, you can quickly see which area is the fund winning or not, and put more weights to the areas you care about and less weights to the areas you can tolerate more, even if they're not good on the ranking.